Well, that Burger King filled a hole.
That was nice though, wasn't it?
Aye.
What's that postcode? You got it?
Oh aye. Began with a G. Oh shite, I've got the bikes chained up. I need to take the padlocks off the bikes.
That would definitely help you.
Aye.
I'll look it up, it's alright. Sorry, I'll look it up.
Right, okay. You look it up and I'll do the locks. Got a lock on yours as well. You'd end up going over the handlebars.
Oh fuck it, G52 4JU. Only half an hour away.
Aye, we'll just go up the M876 or something like that.
We've done 72 mile.
Is that all?
Squeaky Baws.
Soggy Baws. That's Steve's channel.
Hi folks, Stevie here.
Soggy Baws. A good channel.
We need to go round this fucking roundabout again, won't we?
All the way round. Anyone needing a bike?
Yeah.
Neutral.
Let you stop, I've fucking got my wallet in my back pocket.
Right. There's a road closed sign up here, if you can pull in there.
No, it's alright. I'll just pull in the hard shoulder, eh?
Aye, okay. Pull in here. Yeah, daft.
Fuck, I can't afford that to come out of my fucking pocket.
No.
I left my jacket open again. Fuck off, Alec. What the fuck is going on with you? Daft cunt.
It's called old age.
Ah, fuck that, I'm not even old. What the fuck?
I've dropped a glove. Aye, sports bike shop. Absolutely brilliant.
I want to have a look at the Furigan stuff again.
Aye. Right, that's
What
locked.
would you do? Would you get paid just a plain black one to go with the jacket? I'm tempted to buy the fucking full lot, you know that?
If you're going to buy the full lot, I would just get the Infinity free for Risha. But you'll need to order in the jackets.
That was just a day though, wasn't it?
Aye. Tell you what happened to the blue skies and the sunshine.
Oh, fucking sunshine.
You turn. Oh, you done that alright, no feet down.
Cramping my fucking hip there. Oh, you bastard.
What's wrong?
I've got cramp in my fucking hip.
You need to do some twerking. You need to do some twerking.
Oh, fuck. That's alright now. But fuck, just the way I don't know what I've done.
Just as well we stopped. That's in my back pocket.
Right, let's go. Is one radio check up?
Loud and clear. I could spend hours in that shop.
No.
Well,
I spend fucking fortunes.
I spend
That's why I've just got to fucking watch what I'm doing.
I spend
There's a
hours at
Burger
night.
King there, look.
Oh aye. I spend hours at night on that website, eh?
Go, 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 go. Fucking dick.
Aye, that Peter Vardy's shut down. Just down there on the right with the green bit and the blue bit round the doors.
They want to make money.
Nah. I nearly
What was the
bought.
garage?
It was like a car warehouse sort of thing. I nearly bought an Audi out of there. I think it was an A4 or an A5. It was a big...
Well, now since my fucking A7 blew up.
it was a big one, like. But they didn't give me what I wanted for the Hyundai, So I went to Car Deal Warehouse and they gave me what I wanted for the Hyundai.
Did you buy?
The Mini.
The blue one?
Huh? I think the traffic will be lighter heading back out now at this time. That was 5:10. That wee Honda, that is absolutely fantastic for commuting with, it really is.
The right size, isn't it?
Aye, the right size, loads of power for a 650. Nice and light for flinging about, even if you're walking it about. Aye, so I put about 360, 370 miles on it this week.
Is that?
Aye.
Say that again, Sean?
I've put about 300 odd miles on the Honda this week.
Right.
Great bike. Great on fuel as well. Fantastic on fuel.
Well, nimble if I can see the traffic, innit?
Aye. Aye, all I put on that's a top box. Yeah, I took the pannier racks off it. Well, I only had the pannier racks on it for the tour that we done last year. What temperature?
109 mile we've done.
That's alright, yeah. Considering we've never really been anywhere.
Oh, not really. Yeah, back of about 130, 40,
Yeah.
30.
Aye, 130. I think I'll be putting the textiles on the next ride out.
I'm surprised because today it's been sunny all day.
I know, it was roasting when I woke up this morning. I had to open the windows in the house. And 2 cats were out sleeping in the garden.
I need to go and do this fucking North Coast 500.
Aye, I know.
Textiles for that though.
Oh, definitely.
Well, the traffic's been alright.
I said that to you, it'd be alright coming home.
You remember we stopped the service station that had looked like it was a hill?
Uh-huh.
That was the last time I filled up.
What the hell?
Still got 122 miles.
Yeah,
That's good, eh?
that is good. Aye, you get good mileage with that bike.
Fuel economy today 58.9.
That's good, eh? It doesn't take long getting back though, eh?
It's through Blackburn.
Aye. A wee change, eh?
Aye.
Better
What's that fucking motorway?
Aye, better than sitting on that motorway.
Put it in fucking gear, like.
Oh, if you put it in gear it normally goes, eh? And as per usual, red lights. Won't hear that filter, let's go. Toodaloo. I wonder the school's getting on St Kent's, because that was all getting done up.
Is it?
I think they've knocked bits of it down because it had that aerated concrete or whatever. Aye, they flattened bits of it. Aye, now it's all knocked down there. Right, that set over there is green for coming this way, so why is these lights no green for going ahead?
Fuck knows.
So that they can put the arrow on. Absolute flippin' joke. All to hold you back and cause congestion.
For 137 mile.
That's alright, eh? Aye, this road's all changed as well. I mind when it went straight on down there.
Aye, I can as well.
There was no roundabout.
I used to walk from fucking Knightsbridge to Blackburn.
Yeah. To your school.
Aye. Most of the time I got the bus to school, didn't go to school and walked fucking home.
No, I cycled to school.
Then went to the gym.
All year round I cycled, doesn't matter what the weather was. It was
You should be.
pissing the rain, heavy snow, windy, all year round I cycled to school. Now the little darlings get taken to school in their mum and dad's cars. There was none of that when I was at the school, You know, you never had all the parents queuing up outside the school in their cars, It just didn't happen. And my school was quite remote. But we all managed to get there. If you didn't get there by bus, you walked. If you didn't walk, you took your bike. Come on, lights, bloody hell.
But Polestar.
Good luck trying to get parts for them in the future.
They come from China.
God, this place is fairly changing,
Where?
I can remember when that was a...
rattle fucking houses up there.
Aye, I remember when that was a Panasonic factory in there.
It's quick enough you get through. No.
Aye, if you're no fast, you're last. Ah, well, that's another one done, Alec.
Yep. Cannot believe you got caught in that fucking rain.
I know. My bollocks are dry now, though.
I'm glad you told me that.
I'm glad you asked. 14,683 is the mileage.
I've done 141 mile a day.
141? That's alright, I did say about 150 today.
9,124 a month.
I will soon have that on 10. Oh, that's better. Oh, it's roasting in here. Bloody hell.
In here as well.
Absolutely boiling.